Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could recover data from a Dell computer. So here I have two specimens and here I have a Dell laptop, which is faulty and no longer working. So what I did, in fact, I just opened this laptop and I have extracted the hard disk of it. And I have bought this little box. It's a USB adapter for 2.5 hard disk. Note that you can apply this to laptops and to desktop computers. These boxes are worth, or these adapters are worth like $5 to $10 to maximum $20. It's not worth to invest more than that in it, and you can find them online. There are different brands which you can check and buy, and it comes like this. So here you have it, and here you have the adapter, and here at the extremity you have a USB port. So what we are going to do, we will take our hard disk, plug it accordingly. Note that you can also do this to an SSD, but make sure that it's an SSD M.2. It's not an SSD M.2 actually. So open, put it inside the box, and close it. Now you can plug it to any other laptop and you will have access to the data, and you will be able not only to access the data, but you will be able to delete it, erase it, adjust it, and use it accordingly. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.